Hi there, and welcome to It's Always Fun Shopping at WIG Studio One. My name is Andrea, and today I'm going to share with you how to log into your account, create an account, and look at your order history. So to log into your account, you'll want to just navigate up to the little person in the top right-hand corner. You'll click on that. That's either desktop or mobile. If you already have an account with us, it will automatically probably populate depending on the settings that you have on your desktop or mobile. If you don't have an account with us already, to create an account, you simply click on Create Account. You'll add your first name, last name, email, and a password. Then you'll want to be sure to either check or uncheck whether you consent to receive marketing communications. Those communications typically are sales, weekly sales that we're offering, blog information, educational information, and special events. So I would highly recommend checking this box to stay up to speed with any of our events and information and educational information. However, it is personal preference. So if you choose not to receive marketing communications, you'll just want to uncheck this box here and then click Create to create your account. Since I already have an account, I'm going to navigate back and click Sign In. And it will take me to my account where you can see the email address that I'm under or that I'm logged in by, our shipping address. I do have several addresses. You can store as many addresses in here as you'd like. I have 9 because I do a lot of test orders. And this is also the place where you can view your store credit and your order history. So for example, if I knew I ordered a wig in mid-December, and I really wanted to order that one again, but I couldn't remember what it was called, I can click on the mid-December order and see that I had ordered a Lana wig by Envy. Now you'll see the pricing is different on this. It was a test order, so that is why the pricing is the way it is shown here. To reorder that, I would just simply click on the product page, select my color of choice, and add it to my cart. Then it will give you the option on many products to see if you want to add any accessories. You can choose to or choose not to. Then you'll just simply check out by going to your cart. Here in your shopping cart, I have 4 items. We do have a save for later feature. So let's say I decided I wanted to order 1, but I didn't want to order all 4 of them today. I could save it for later, where it will take it out of my shopping cart and move it below in my saved for later items. And then should I choose to move it back to my cart at a later date, I can do so just by clicking Move to Cart. And then I'm ready to check out with my items. You always want to make sure that you check that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions for returns. This will link here to our return policy, and it's important that you read that before you check out or at least upon receipt of your item in the event that you need to place a return. Once you have checked this box, you'll want to go to the checkout. You can select your form of payment and go from there. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope this has been helpful. We'll have many more installments of this to help you navigate the website and hopefully provide as many resources to you as possible. This is Andrea wishing you a fabulous day, and thanks for joining me.